Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to install the HANA product store. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to go and purchase this plugin. So I already have the plugin. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below where you can actually get it. So after which I'll click on what plugins. After that I'll click on add new plugin. So once I'm here, I'll click on upload plugin. Choose the file. So we are going to be choosing the file location. I'll get it. Yeah. Compress. Okay, this is it here. Click on what open. So after that, you click on install now. So guys, once installation is complete, you simply need to activate it. So guys, we just successfully installed the HANA product store. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add products on your site using this plugin. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we'll all see in our next tutorial. Peace out.